How to activate Tesla Autopilot features. All right, Tesla fam, ready to use your Tesla's Autopilot features? Here's how to get started with the basics. Activate Autopilot. 1. Get on the highway. Autopilot works best on clear, straight roads. 2. Press the gear stalk down twice. This activates auto steer and traffic-aware cruise control. 3. Adjust speed. Use the right scroll wheel to set your speed. Autopilot will maintain that speed and adjust for traffic. Activate auto lane change. 1. With Autopilot active, use the turn signal stalk in the direction you want to change lanes. 2. The car will automatically change lanes when safe. Enable Navigate on Autopilot for highways. 1. In the Autopilot settings, enable Navigate on Autopilot. 2. This will allow your Tesla to navigate highway interchanges, exits, and more. Bottom line? Activating Autopilot features is easy. Just follow these steps and always stay alert. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.